Hey, you gorgeous you fabulous one. Thank you for tuning in to my nightly lullaby series. Hope you are okay. I hope your family is okay. And definitely praying for you, and I appreciate your prayers for me. I'm going to get through this. Thanks for being part of my world here and letting me sing to you in these crazy, crazy days. This evening's lullaby is an old favorite of mine. It's called The Sweetest Sounds. My favorite version is the divine one, Sarah Vaughan. So if you get a chance, definitely check her out. The sweetest sounds I'll ever hear are still inside my head. The kindest words I'll ever know are waiting to be said. The most entrancing sight of all is yet for me to see, and the dearest love in all the world is waiting somewhere for me. The sweetest sounds I'll ever hear are still inside my head. The kindest words I'll ever know are waiting to be said. The most enchanting sight of all is yet for me to see, and the dearest love in all the world is waiting somewhere for me. Tweety, 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 the most enchanting sight of all is yet for me to see, and the dearest love in all the world is waiting somewhere for me. Love you. Have a beautiful night. Have a glorious morning.